Hello, good morning. This is Exercise Education. So I want to teach us on how we can find a winning product using Google Trends. And firstly, before you start using Google Trends to make a winning product research, you need to understand who are your audience, that which country are you targeting to sell up your product to. So either you are a freelancer or is someone that wanted to start an e-commerce business. Yeah. So you need to understand what people are consuming, what people are looking for, what people want us to exploit and that can give them solution to what they need. So once you decide on that, the next thing to do is what know who are your targeting audience, the product that you want to sell, what are the niche that you want to go for. Because you can't you when you went to Google Trend, you find a lot of information that can mislead you. But you need to decide, okay, am I selling cosmetics? Am I selling a fashion product? So once you decide on that, then the next thing is to go on the Google Trend, then search on trend now. So this I've already picked the country that I wanted to search for. You can search on your own country, which country that you want to sell on. So what you just you can come to trend now. So now this is the interface of trend now. These are the interface. Now what to do now after you've been searching, you let it to load. So you can search on what all trend categories, what are the locations, then either within 24 hours of trend. So now you see trending status. You can search on active trending status. So you can see now 5 hours ago, 7 hours ago, what are the things that is actually trending. So we can just pick on the random aspect of it. So now, what are the categories of what you can see? Snow, snow stony, brief rocking, spirit airline. You can see what is actually trending. So you can see. So you went to check on, okay, you can see this is beauty and fashion, automobile, beauty and what businesses, entertainment, food, games, health. So these are the things that is being trending on search. So you can see now. So government, technologies and travels and sports. So look, we are actually going for what we call which is beauty and fashion. So we click on beauty and fashion. So relevance of it. Now pick on within 7 days to know what is actually being working on. You can see this. You can see this is what is actually trending within 7 days. So search on relevance. This trending now. So we can come to exploit. You can come here to exploit. Maybe what is actually trending now is different from you want to exploit by yourself. So now let's click on cosmetics. Now you can click on what? This web search. You can click on web search either. You can see now. So either image or Google Shopping. So this, let's start by Google Shopping. So this is Google Shopping. So you click on Google searching, you can see suggest by search term. So past here. So let us. So it's actually loading. Let it actually load. So you need to understand all products are winning products, but your main targeting country also matter most. Then you search, you make a winning product based on relevance. Okay, if you can't consume this, what are the things that you can consume? Someone that have a skin rashes, you can do the research on that skin rashes. So someone that has bacteria on his body or someone that has a pimples. So you can make a winning product research on it. But so once you know how to write a blog about what the product can benefit, how it can solve the person's product, how the person can make use of it. So this also help you when it comes to building an e-commerce because Google search based on information and transaction, businesses transaction information, learning and exploring of educational stuff. So so we are searching. We are actually having a okay now. Let's search by search term. You can come here. You can see what is actually showing now. Nike. This is 80% internet searching, which is back to school. Which means that back to school is something that is actually rising query is back to school. So a lot of people want to back to school. So they need what we call what home school accessory on what they like, what they want to apply. Maybe someone who want to buy pen, someone who want to buy. So you can look for a pen that can erase a pen that can have two functions, that can solve two solutions. Back to school, maybe that one that want to buy backpack, a bag that can actually help them to carry a load. Then also that backpack can also have where someone can charge. So you have to find a product that can solve two solutions or three solutions. We prompt most of the audience to purchase the product, no matter how expensive. And you don't sell a product that is highly expensive. You need to understand that before people can trust you, they can afford to spend like zero to $100. That they actually, maybe the product couldn't be delivered, they can still avoid it. But someone that is actually selling a product that's worth of $200 or $300, put yourself in that shoe. It will be difficult for them to buy. You can see iPhone 17 is one of the trending things that is actually trending now. You can search more. So you can see iPhone 17, Amazon, Walmart. These are the platforms that they are actually consuming it. You can see light pack buff buffer. You can see these are kind of things. Craving moisture cream, craving hydrant cleaner. So these are the same products that are actually trending. These are the trending products on the cosmetics products. Look, as per what? Packed here, see now, which is in Google Shopping. So if you are selling, if you are selling your product on e-commerce, you can list your product with Google Shopping, selling this kind of product. These are the trending products that is actually you can exploit. You can see this is boots, see this sneaker, this tag. So sneakers is also one of the products because these sneakers are made for what? People in sports, people in gym, people in any kind of sport. Because no matter how this kind of sport that they wanted to do, they have to exploit maybe of their sneakers to trend from one place to another. These sneakers must have some functionality that will help them. There are some sneakers that when you wear it will be very foamy and very balanced on you. It won't be a kind of sneaker that you will wear and it will be hard for you to raise up your leg. It may be something that is something that is soft and something that is heavyless. You need to understand that. So this is when how Google Trends works. So you can see these are the analytics. You can check on it and you can explore more. So if you want to know more how winning products, how Google Trends work, you can reach out to us to give you an educational course on it, and we can lead you on how to find a winning product. You can see a lot of ways to search a winning product. This Google Shop, we have the YouTube, we have the web search. So this you can see search by image, search by news, search by YouTube searching, web searching. But we are using Google Shop because people are shopping through Google Shop a lot, and people are buying a lot on Google Shop and web searching. But this Google Shop is one most effective way of highly converting your store, getting results from your sales. So once you decide you have already seen this kind of product, you can go on AliExpress or Alibaba or Zendrop to check how many review is this product has already been having. So what are the things people are telling about the product? You can even purchase one of the products and make use of it and look how it's useful and what is benefit to people. So if you find this content as something that is being helpful to you, subscribe to our channel to know more updates on the latest content, and give us a thumbnail, like, comment for other people to actually to see more about our latest video on how to use manuals to analyze a website, or how to use manuals to analyze a social media or your product or anything for improvement of your businesses. You need to understand about, because every business needs increment and also need management and also need improvement as a tech owner. So this is what the information is all about. So our next coming content will be how to make use of manuals. Then the next one will be how to set up Google Telegram ads for a bot for a businesses as well. So if you find this topic, subscribe to get more. And if you know that you want to reach out to us, our expertise are there to help you as an e-commerce expertise on SEO, social media manager, social media manager, store optimizations, and also to find a winning product. Then we also help people building a corporate website as well. So my name is Excel Success. People call me Gibson, and our team are helping people to solve and give us the best revenue of their businesses. So subscribe to get more. And the only thing that you can offer me to make this video to went to people that also need it is what? By liking, comment, and subscribe for more views, for more latest information. Thank you so much.